Our goal right now is to create this form that will allow us to create a new snippet and save it into our database. Now, this process is going to be a little bit involved, and we're going to learn a lot about Next.js along the way. So I put together a little series of steps we're going to go through here just to guide us and help us understand what's going on. So first thing we have to do, and we only have to do this one time inside of our project, is create a Prisma client to access our database. We just added Prisma into our project, which allows us to very easily interact with our SQLite database. But we need to actually create an object inside of our program that we can use to interact with Prisma and tell it to add records to our database or fetch data or edit data and so on. To add a Prisma client to our project, we're going to open up our project directory. I'm going to find the src folder. Inside there, I'm going to make a new directory called db, short for database. And then inside that, I'm going to make a new file called index.ts. Then inside of here, creating our Prisma client is super easy. All we have to do is import Prisma client from @prisma/client, and then export const db new Prisma client. This db object right here is kind of our portal. It's our handle onto our database. And we're going to use this object in several different ways to create, save, delete, fetch, all the kind of things around our snippets. As a very quick example, to create a snippet, if that's all we want to do right now, we would call db.snippet.create, pass in an object. We would give that a data property, and then put a title for our snippet right here, and a code or some amount of code for our snippet. So maybe some function like so. And that's it. That's how we create a snippet. Fetching records, deleting records, changing records, and so on are going to work in a very similar fashion. So updating data in our database using Prisma is going to be super easy.